All right, guys, we're here with Zack Quilici, or Quilici, owner of CrossFit Regulus here in Reno. He stopped by the test kitchen. Thanks for coming by, bud.
No worries, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
So we're gonna throw down our next meal. It's coming to you from a couple of guys. Stick around for our Chipotle Butternut Squash fries. Woo! Keep it paleo. So Zach's better than me at most things, like CrossFit-wise strength. He's faster, he's better looking.
No way.
We're gonna race at peeling a butternut squash, and this might be the first time I've actually ever beat him at anything. You ready? Let's go peel her down.
Yours is...
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, a lot harder than I thought, man. Ugh. Falling behind. Need pre-workout. I think I've missed a lot of spots.
Done.
What?
Oh, yes!
I need...
Dude, what is going on over there? Okay.
Hey, man, I tried. I gotta finish up,
You
though.
actually did pretty good. So just think about doing long strokes here and here, and then like
I didn't think it was gonna be that hard.
kind of short, quick ones around there.
Man, yours looks way better than mine.
So I'm gonna show you how to cut it. I'll do mine completely, and then you can do yours. Sound like a plan?
Mm-hmm.
So here we go. I'm gonna cut the top off. Boom, that, bottom, just enough. Don't take a big chunk because we're just gonna toss this. And then you gotta guess in here, where does the bulb start? Oh, so it's off a little bit there, but I can just take here, choking up on the spoon, scoop that out. See that? So that baby's good. And then on this one, we'll cut it, boom, and then use the spoon, thumb inside, like a little scraper, almost like a knife. Stuff. How's that? You good with that?
Mm-hmm.
Happy? And then I'm gonna cut here. Boom, boom. And that's gonna kind of be a fry right there. It'll be the size of our fries. And this one's a little bit trickier. We're gonna come down there. So now we have a flat surface. And then we'll just cut these into strips. You can do it like that. You get nervous, or are you gonna be able to handle this?
I'm gonna screw it all up, dude.
I'll leave it up to you. If you want to cut it into discs, it's a little bit more approachable than trying to get you to cut.
Yeah.
Right? And all I'm gonna do, we were just gonna make one butternut squash, but since Zach showed up, we did 2 for demo, but this is about all I'm gonna do, kind of one single layer on my sheet pan. Does that make sense? As soon as we start piling this high, then there's gonna be too much steam and we won't get like the crispy, kind of caramelized squash. All right, so we ended up getting through both of them. We got 3 pans here, and the goal is just to have a large surface area, 1 layer thick. We don't want this stuff piled up. Go ahead and grab the oil. Just, yeah, dude, look at this guy. Beautiful.
Yeah. Good.
And then we'll go salt. Something like that. Pepper. And then chipotle. These are chipotle butternut squash fries, right? So now lightly, this stuff is pretty potent. So maybe salt, half as much pepper as salt, and then half as much chipotle powder as pepper. So you guys, these are gonna go in the oven at 350 convection for about 30 minutes, and we'll keep you posted on how it goes. Check it out, guys, here we go. Quilici bailed on me. He had to go, change some lives, so I'm finishing on my own. I think really what happened was he got his feelings hurt that I beat him at peeling the squash, so he left to go practice. Anyways, here's our fries, right? So this is beautiful, right? It's got a little bit of salt on there, pepper, it's got the chipotle, and then best of all, caramelization. little crunch on the outside, soft on the inside. Let's plate these babies up. So there we have it, guys. Look at that, steam rising, piled high, 2 whole butternut squash in 1 bowl. I don't know any restaurants that serve this, but if you know one, let me know. The best part about this recipe is its simplicity. You saw just on a sheet pan in the oven, and all of a sudden this magic happened. So I know you're probably wondering about some dipping sauce. Stay tuned, because up next we're gonna do some chicken wings with a Paleo ranch that could also act as dipping sauce for these fries. So this has been Chipotle butternut squash fries. I wanna say thanks to Zach, my bro, and I also wanna remind you to keep it Paleo.